As we continue with the rear drive belt replacement and the rear center clutch spring replacement, we have the parts off. We have them on a table over here. What I like to do is, since they're going to be a little dirty, of course, you know, you don't do this every day, so they're going to be dirty. What I like to do is get an old toothbrush, piece of, I don't know what that is, an old toothbrush, and some simple green. That's what they sell here in the U.S. Non-toxic, and it works good. No fumes or anything. It's got something in it that breaks down the oil molecules in any of your parts. So then we take this, and we'll put that in there like that. Hard to do this one hand and not get everything all messed up. Now I'll clean that up with the brush here, with this and this, and I'll get it where I want it, and I'll go out and probably put it on the grass. It's really nice out here where I live. It's really quiet. It's like this 24 hours a day, just like this. I saw this house, except for the damn dogs. I saw this house like 25 years ago, and the minute I saw it for sale, I said, that's the one. It's just quiet. It's not, there's no through street. Either you live down here in this little tiny circle, or you don't live down here, and so they don't drive by or anything. Anyway, I'm going to clean this up, put it in the grass, over in the grass. Then I'll clean up this with a little bit of oil in it, the cover, and then I'll clean up this and the clutch bell, and I won't clean up the brake or the rear clamshell right here until I put it on the ZTR and disassemble it. So that's where we're at right now. But you got to remember, you got to have some real good music. You got to have like 1,000 watts, some really good AI rock music. I like that stuff. It's just great. Makes me feel like I'm 20 again, like 1967. Rock on.